table of 13. Here's a simple trick for kids to learn the table of 13. First, write the table of 12, then add the same number you are multiplying by to each answer. 13 times 1 is 13. 13 times 2 is 26. Wow, you're doing great! 13 times 3 is 39. 13 times 4 is 52. Amazing effort, don't stop! 13 times 5 is 65. 13 times 6 is 78. Excellent work, keep it up! 13 times 7 is 91. Super proud of you. 13 times 8 is 104. Fantastic, you're shining bright. 13 times 9 is 117. 13 times 10 is 130. Yay, you did it! Outstanding, you did it!
Learning makes little stars shine even brighter.